Fart. Fart. My friend farts aloud during the class. My friend farts aloud during the class. Snort. Snort. My daddy gets influenza and he snorts a lot. My daddy gets influenza and he snorts a lot. Sneeze. 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 Tom let out a loud sneeze. Tom let out a loud sneeze. Tom let out a loud sneeze. Yawn. Yawn. I yawn a lot when I just wake up. I yawn a lot when I just wake up. Belch. 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 Daddy's stomach is full, he belches after eating. Daddy's stomach is full, he belches after eating. Cough. Cough. You should wear a mask when you cough. You should wear a mask when you cough. Laugh. Giggle. Laugh. Giggle. The baby looks cuter when he giggles. The baby looks cuter when he giggles. Snore. 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 My brother snores when he sleeps. My brother snores when he sleeps. Whistle. Whistle. I heard someone whistles and it was my friend. I heard someone whistles and it was my friend. Slurp. Slurp. I love to slurp when I eat noodles. I love to slurp when I eat noodles. Sniff. Sniff. My friends sniff at my soup because it smells good. My friends sniff at my soup because it smells good. Clap. Clap. My teacher claps at me because I answer the question correctly. My teacher claps at me because I answer the question correctly. Gargle. Gargle. Mom told me not to gargle when I drink water. Mom told me not to gargle when I drink water. Hum. Hum. Karen loves to hum when she is happy. Karen loves to hum when she is happy. Growl. 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 John hasn't eaten anything. His stomach growls. John hasn't eaten anything. His stomach growls.